Another severe thunderstorm warning.
Severe thunderstorm warning for Southern Sarpy County, northeastern Lancaster County,
Oh, never mind, county.
southeastern Saunders County, Cass County, and southeastern Nebraska until 8 p.m. At 7:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Greenwood, or 15 miles southwest of Gretna, moving east at 50 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Greenwood.
Oh my God!
Hazards include baseball-sized hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by impact. People and animals
True weather
outdoors will be
spotters.
severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Murdoch around to 7:15 p.m. Louisville around to 7:20 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Plattsmouth and Beaver Lake. This includes Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 411 and 430. Tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for southwestern Iowa and southeastern and east central Nebraska. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for southwestern Iowa and southeastern and east central Nebraska. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Cass, Lancaster, Sarpy, and Saunders.
Oh, another severe thunderstorm warning. I hear the EAS.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. for southwestern Sarpy, northeastern Lancaster. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Louisville.
Here we go, son. 95.1.
Central Daylight Time for southeastern and east central Nebraska. For your protection, move to an interior room.
FM. Again.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties.
Deep Clean Free and Clear Laundry Detergent. Our most powerful free and clear formula. Skin safe certified 100%.
When I was diagnosed with HIV, I didn't know who I would be.
But here I am, being me.
Keep being you and ask your healthcare provider.
Yes. Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm until 8 p.m. At 7:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Greenwood, or 15 miles.
Let's check with the EAS audio.
Include Plattsmouth and Beaver. National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lancaster County and southeastern Nebraska and southeastern central Nebraska and southeastern a severe thunderstorm Nebraska. And protection, a severe thunderstorm was located over Greenwood, or 15 miles southwest of Gretna, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Time for southwestern. This is a destructive storm for Greenwood, central Nebraska. Expected hazards include baseball-sized hail and 60 miles per hour. Severe weather has been confirmed.
Here was what?
Lancaster has people and animals
Sarpy and
outdoors will be
Saunders.
severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles.
Okay.
Central Daylight Time for southwestern Iowa and southeastern and east central Nebraska. On the lowest rating of severe thunderstorm, tornado watch remains in effect until midnight. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Iowa and southeastern and east central Nebraska. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska.
Sounds like an elevator Dover bus, like
Sarpy and Saunders.
Dover TK. Sounds like a Dover bus.
Fisher investments were clearly different. Win or lose, it's the journey. That's what losers say.
He's the one going right.
And this is EAS Compilation number 6.
Okay. All right.
I think it's 5 or number 6. EAS Compilation.
Okay. We're going to put it together and then go make your dinner. Okay? That's it.
That's it.
Bye-bye.
Tornado warning.
Issued a tornado warning for Central At 7:14 p.m., Thunderstorm tornado was located 5 miles northeast of here, or 16 miles east of
Hi, Florida. So he loves the lava. They bought it. Now back to
There it is. It's on KFRX 1063. Lincoln City Music. Chase, tornado warning.
Weather Service in Omaha has issued a warning for Central Canada.
Let me talk to boys outside.
Until 8 p.m. At 7:14 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located 5 miles northeast of here. Moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by impact. Flying debris will be
Oh,
dangerous to those
hey boys, there is a tornado warning.
will be damaged or destroyed.
It's on KFRX. It's 1063. If you have a tornado warning, you have to go to basement or interior room.
The tornado will be near Elmwood and Murdoch.
It's an emergency alert system since 1997. This is 1063. This is KFRX. This is the FM radio
The
station.
tornado is on the ground. Take cover now.
Oh wow, tornado on the ground.
Interior room on the
Just
lower
like
floor.
last in April last year of 2024.
If you are outdoors,
Like when you hear the sirens going off in the distance, it might be here and all around here in Lincoln.
debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued.
There was
until
a
8 p.m. for the following
it's a tornado warning until in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. There goes the EAS tone. Thank you.
I've been there, believe me.
All right.
If you are outdoors in a mobile
All right, stay tuned for the
or
TV.
vehicle, move to the National Weather Service in Omaha has Western County in southwestern Iowa.
Southwestern Iowa.
Southwestern Iowa, southeastern Sarpy County, eastern Cass County in southeastern Nebraska until 8:30 p.m. At 7:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles southeast of Cedar Creek, or 11 miles southwest of Austin Air Force Base, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 2 and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. In fact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Plexus around 7:55 p.m. Beaver Lake around 8 p.m. Pacific Junction around 8:05 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Glenwood. This includes Interstate 29 between mile markers 20 and 39. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for southwestern Iowa and southeastern and east central Nebraska. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lower floor of a building. A tornado watch
Let's save a train.
until
We're setting down dealers.
Central Nebraska. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Fremont and Mills, and the following counties in Nebraska, Cass and Sarpy.
Cass and Sarpy. Here we go. From 95.1.
Counties in Nebraska, Cass and Sarpy. A tornado warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. for central Cass County.
Pup Saver, Soda Train.
9 p.m. A confirmed tornado is located 4 miles east of Murdoch, or 15 miles south of tornado activity in southwestern Iowa. Tornado is confirmed in county. Eastern County flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. At 7:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles southeast of Cedar Creek, or 11 miles southwest of Offutt Air Force Base, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
So what are you waiting for? Head over to
Around 8 p.m. Pacific Junction around 8:05 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Glenwood. This includes Interstate 29 between mile markers 20 and 39. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for southwestern Iowa and southeastern and east central Nebraska. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for southwestern Iowa and southeastern and east central Nebraska. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Fremont.
Oh no. Oh, another one. Oh, the tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a tornado warning. County in southwestern
They're not done yet.
in southwestern Iowa, southeastern Cass County, and southeastern Nebraska. Avoid windows. 45 p.m. If you are outdoors in a mobile home, move to the closest
Another one on KFX.
Missouri, or 14 miles north of Nebraska. Moving east at 30 miles per hour.
Potawatomi, Iowa.
Hail up to 2 inches in diameter. Severe weather has been confirmed by law-confirmed tornado. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Beaver Lake around 8 p.m. Other locations in the path
Oh no.
thunderstorm include Taylor and Randolph. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now.
Take cover now.
Or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Fremont and Mills, and Cass, Nebraska.
Cass, Nebraska.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Fremont County in southwestern Iowa, southwestern Mills County in southwestern Iowa, southeastern Cass County in southeastern Nebraska until 8:45 p.m.